Staying organized is important to you, but you still find yourself missing meetings or forgetting important events because everything is buried inside your phone's calendar. Then today we are going to take a look at something that might actually solve that problem. This is the new Arzopa C1 Smart Calendar, and I'm curious to find out together whether it's actually useful in everyday life or just another smart gadget. The first thing I noticed is that this is not designed to look like a tablet. It has a clean tabletop design with a built-in stand that feels much more like a modern desktop calendar. The display is a 14-inch 2K touchscreen, and one feature I immediately appreciated is the anti-glare finish. Even with bright lights or sunlight coming through the windows, everything remains easy to read without distracting reflections. It also does not attract fingerprints nearly as much as a glossy display, which is definitely a plus for a device that everyone in the family will be touching. But the hardware is only part of the story. The biggest advantage of the C1 is how it helps organize an entire household. Instead of everything relying only on their own phones, this gives the entire family as one shared place to see what's happening throughout the day. You can manage multiple family schedules, assign chores, create meal plans, set reminders, and keep everything organized from one screen. It supports multiple family profiles, so everyone can have their own schedule while still viewing the complete family calendar at a glance. Everything also syncs with the calendars you probably already use, including Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, Outlook, Cozy, and TeamSnap. That means you don't have to rebuild your schedule from scratch. Any updates you make on your phone automatically appear on the C1, and you can also edit everything remotely through the companion app. Another nice feature is how easy it is to add information. You can simply take a photo of an invitation, shopping list, receipt, or event flyer, and the built-in AI can recognize the important details and quickly return them into calendar events or meal plans. One thing that really stands out compared to several competing family calendars is that there are no subscription fees. Once you purchase the device, all the main family planning features are included. So I really like how simple is this to use. Everything is easy to read thanks to the large 14-inch display, and having a shared calendar that's always visible makes it much easier for everyone in the house to stay on the same page. So if you live by yourself and already manage everything comfortably from your phone, you may not feel like you need another screen dedicated to your calendar, even though I believe this is very helpful for office users or in the studios as well. But I can absolutely see the value for busy families, especially parents who are constantly managing school schedules, sports activities, grocery shopping, appointments, meal planning, and household responsibilities. The Arzopa C1 is designed to be shared. Instead of everyone checking separate calendars on different devices, the whole family has one central place that's always visible. I personally myself love it, and I'm gonna keep this in my studio. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the Arzopa C1 Smart Calendar, leave them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.